me see.
We're not going home. We're going to Greenwich.
What do you mean? What happened?
Michelle's in the hospital.
No way! No way! No way! No way! Oh my God! What? When did this happen?
When you were on the plane.
Oh my God! No, my God! No wonder you were so happy to see me.
Wait.
Oh,
She's
get out of
fine.
here! Move!
She's not even close.
Okay. Breathe. What the fuck? I can't. Tina, put that down.
This is too good.
Get this out of here. Move that fucking car.
Diane, you gotta relax. She's only a centimeter dilated.
Yeah. Okay.
Matt,
He's gotta move that
Diane.
car. He's gotta move the car.
Diane, you gotta relax.
Oh my God.
Mom, Matt's dad said she won't come until tomorrow.
No, that's not true.
Diane,
Oh my God.
It's true.
When does
She
he
said
know?
it takes an hour a centimeter.
All right,
So
no. He's got to move these fucking cars.
Diane, you gotta relax.
No. Oh my God. What happened? Her water broke? Or she in pain? What? Tell me.
Okay, can I get out of here first?
Yeah.
I don't want to wreck the car.
Okay.
her water broke.
What? Her water broke?
Mhm.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
She's texting, so you can call her.
Where is she? Oh my, Christina, get that film off me.